In today's video, I'm going to teach you sprints plus ClickUp tutorial. Speed up your workflow 2026. If you've been wanting a clean, reliable way to plan focused bursts of work and actually track what gets done, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to enable sprints and sprint points in ClickUp, choose where they apply, and get you back to your workspace to manage everything confidently. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the correct one if you belong to multiple teams, so the changes land exactly where you expect them. Once you're in, head to Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's App Center, where optional features live. In the App Center, use the search bar and type Sprints and Sprint Points. Searching for both up front makes it easy to enable them in one go, and it's a quick way to find them, even if your menu looks a little different due to updates. Click into Sprints. Here, you'll see a simple toggle that turns the feature on or off. Enable Sprints. Don't worry, this isn't permanent. You can disable it later if you need to. Enabling Sprints lets you organize work into time-boxed iterations and gives you better visibility into progress and workload. Next, decide where sprints should be available. You can enable them in one space or multiple spaces, depending on how your organization is set up. Spaces are like major departments or themes. Think development, marketing, or client delivery. So feel free to add sprints to as many spaces as makes sense for your team's workflow. Now, enable sprint points. You'll notice the navigation looks very similar to what you just saw for sprints. Turn on sprint points so you can estimate the effort or complexity of tasks. You'll see the available point values appear. Pick a value when you're estimating a task. For example, choose 3 points to mark a medium effort. Points help you forecast capacity and balance your sprint workload before you start. With sprints and sprint points active, begin adding tasks to your lists or backlog as needed. You can always add more tasks later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect the first time. The important part is capturing the work and assigning points so you can plan realistically. Return to your workspace to manage everything in context. Locate your sprint folder and click into it. From here, you can view the sprint's contents, check estimates at a glance, and keep tasks moving as the sprint progresses. If something doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. And that's it. You've enabled sprints and sprint points, scoped them to the right spaces, and opened your sprint folder to start managing real work. Happy sprinting!